This is Group 3, and this is Learning, Memory, and the Products We Choose. Have you ever wondered why you buy certain products instead of others? It's not just about needing something, it's about how our brain works. This video explores the fascinating connection between learning, memory, and the products we choose.
Learning is how we gain new knowledge and skills. We learn through experience like trying new things, food, or using new app. We also learn from what we see and hear, like advertise or reviews. Think about learning to ride a bike. You might have fallen a few times, but eventually, through practice and repetition, you learn how to do it. This is similar to how we learn about products.
Memory is how we store and recall information. There are different types of memory. The short-term memory is like a temporary notepad. It holds information for a short time. Long-term memory is more permanent storage. Think about your favorite brand of cereal. You probably remember it because of its packaging, taste, or maybe a fun commercial you saw. That's your long-term memory at work. Companies use this to their advantage. They create memorable ads and slogans to help you remember the products.
Conclusion. So the next time you buy something, remember that it's not just a random decision. It's a result of your learning, your memories, and the clever ways of companies try to influence your choices. Understanding this connection can help you make a better decision as a consumer.
Products and choices. Visuals show a variety of products highlighting their branding and packaging. Show people making choices in a store. Now, let's connect learning and memory to our products choices when we learn about a product. Maybe through an ad, a friend's recommendation, or our own experience. That information is stored in our memory. When we need to buy something, our brains assess this stored information to help us decide what to buy. If we had a good experience with a product, we're more likely to buy it again. If we had a bad experience, we might avoid it.